Good morning students. Today we are going to learn about the prime factorization method. In a previous class we have learned the divisibility test for 2 to 11. I hope you are understood that concept. If you have any doubt you can ask your doubt to me. Okay. Today we are learn about the prime factorization. Okay. So what is the mean by prime factorization? We have using the prime numbers. What are the prime numbers? Prime numbers 2, okay, 3. The only one even prime is 2, is it? And next one is 1 is prime or composite number. 1 is either prime nor composite number. Okay, so எதுலயுமே இதுல வராது. Okay அம்மா? Okay, so 2, 3, 5, okay, 7, 11, 13. So infinite number of prime numbers are there. Okay, we have using these numbers find out the factors of the given number. That method is called the prime factorization method. Okay, so prime factorization. Okay, so what is the definition? Any composite number, okay, any composite number can be expressed as the product of prime number. That is called the prime factorization method. So what is the meaning of prime factorization? Any composite number. Say one of the composite number, for example 4. 4 is a composite number. It can return the prime factor, the product of two prime numbers. 2 2s are 4. 2 is a prime number. That is called the prime factors method. Okay, prime factorization method. Okay, see example. Let us we have considered the prime factor for 30. So what is that? You have learned in the lower classes 3 factors. What are the factors of 30? 6 5s are. So we have divide 2 3s are. Here 2 3 5 are the factors of 30. Factor of 30. Factor of 30. So another one of that. 2 into 50. 50 can written as 5 3s are. So the factors of 30, what are the prime numbers? 2 3 5. This is a composite number. It can written in the product of the prime numbers. Product of the prime numbers. This method is called the prime factorization method. Okay, prime factorization method. Okay. Next method, prime factorization of a bigger number using the short division method. So, okay, so bigger number is given, prime factorization of a bigger number using the short division method. Short division method. What is that short division method? See the example. (256). So this is a short division method. Normally long division method means this like, okay. Short division method means you will put like this 256. You should using the smallest, start from the smallest prime numbers. Start from the smallest prime number. Which one is first one? 2. It's cancelling 2 table, is it? So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, remaining 1, 2 8s are 16. Again 2 table, 2 6 are 4s are. Again 2 table, 3 2 16. Thus 256. What are the factors? How many times of 2 repeated? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 times repeated, okay. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 times. So 2 itself multiplicated 8 times. So we get the value of 256. That's it. Another one of the example. (540). So okay. So 540, how do you express? It's expressed in the 2 table. 2 2s are 4, 1 2 7s are. Again 2 table, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 1 2 5s are, and then 135 is cancelled in the 3 table. 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. Again 5 table, 9s are 3. Okay, now write the prime factors of 540 is equal to how many times? 2 2 times, 3 3 times, and 5 one time. 5 one time. That is a prime factorization method. I hope you have understood the prime factorization of the bigger number using the short division method. Short division method. Okay, I hope you have understood. See the next one, HCF. HCF means highest common factor. Highest common factor. That is called the HCF. HCF. So what is the meaning of highest common factor? Given the greatest number, the highest number from the given number. Okay, that is a highest common factor. Highest common factor from the given numbers. Okay, see the example. So definition, how do you write? HCF is greatest number of the set of common factor. Of the given number. Given number. Okay. HCF is a greatest number of the sets. Two number கொடுத்திருப்பாங்க. So in this place the set of common factors of the given numbers. Example, let us consider the numbers 45 and 3. Okay, so factors. What are the factors of 45? 1 3 5, okay, 9, and then 15, and last finally 45. And next factor of 63. So what are the factors? 1, 3, 7, 9, 21 and 63. These are the factors of 63. So what is the meaning of HCF? The highest, the greatest number of the set common factors. First of all, write the common factors. Okay. Common factors of 45 and 63 is equal to, which are that? Three is 1, 3, 9. 1, 3, 9. 1, 3, 9 are common for the both numbers. Okay. So highest common. If you look common numbers, which one is highest common? 9. So HCF of 45 and 63 is equal to 9. 63 is equal to 9. Okay. And next one, it has two methods. One is prime factorization method, HCF, finding the HCF using the prime factorization method. Another one is long division method. Another one is long division method. See, the HCF of long division. First one, prime factorization. So, example, let us consider the numbers 72 and 48. So, prime factorization method, how do you find out? Short division method. Prime factorization method, how do you find out? Short division method. So, for the short divisions, 72. So 2 table. First start from the smallest prime number. So 2. So how many times? 36. So in 3 table, 1, 2. Again 3 table, 4. Here 48. 2 table. 2 2s are 4. Again 2 table, 1, 2, 2, 6, 2 3s are, okay. So let us consider the numbers 72 and 48. We have find out the prime factorizations of the given two numbers. Now the prime factors. Of 72 and 48 is, what are the 72 is equal to, here write like this, okay, prime factor of 72, 2 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 2, okay, and next prime factor of 48, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, so now which are the common factors? 3 and then 3. So common factors is equal to 2, 2, 2, 3 times 2 is it, and 1 time 3. So we have find out the highest common factor. So multiple all the common factors. Multiple all the common factors. So HCF of 72 and 48 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Okay, this is the one of the method. So HCF of prime factorization method. Okay, so generally find out the HCF is given. You have write all the factors for the given numbers. After write the common factors. After which one is the highest value we have considered to the HCF. And this method is HCF of prime factorization method is given. So first you have using the short division method, find out the prime factors for the given numbers. After write the common factors. After multiply the common factors, we get the answer for the HCF of the given number. And the next one of the method, HCF of the long division method. Listen carefully. Okay, see the example. Find the HCF of HCF of 198 and 360 by using the long division method. By using long division method. Long division method. Okay, so listen here. Smallest number we have considered to the divisor. Okay, and the largest number we have considered to the dividend. Okay, so write the solution. So what is the smallest number? So 198 we have considered to the smallest number, is it? So that is considered to the divisor. That is considered to the divisor. The highest value considered to the dividend. Okay, so now divide this. So how many times is possible? 198 is one time is possible. So 198. Okay, so subtract from is 2, so 5, so 62, and then here 1, 2 minus 1, 1. Now the remainder considered to the divisor. Remainder considered to the divisor. Divisor considered to the dividend. Okay, 198. Listen carefully. The given, find the HCF of the given two numbers. So smallest number is we have considered to the divisor, and the largest number we have considered to the dividend. Okay, after simplify we get the remainder. The remainder value considered to the divisor, and the divisor considered to the dividend. Okay, now how many times is possible? It's also one time. So 162. Now subtract 6, 3, 36. So remainder considered to the divisor, and divisor considered to the dividend. So 162. 162. So how many times is possible? 36. 36. 4s are 144. 144. Subtract from this value is 18. So 18 is a divisor. 18 is a divisor, and 36 is a dividend. So how many times? How many times? 2 times. So 18 2s are 36. The remainder will be 0. The remainder will be 0. Finally, we have considered the last divisor. The last divisor is called the highest common factor. The last divisor, okay, last divisor is considered to the HCF. Therefore, HCF of 198 and 360 is equal to 18. That's it. Okay, this method is called the long division method. If you want, here write here the last divisor. Don't forget it. Divisor is 18. Therefore, HCF of 198 and 360 is 18. Okay. See another one of the example. Find the greatest number which exactly divides the numbers 280 and 1245, leaving the remainder 4 and 3 respectively. So, two numbers are given. You should leave the remainder. So, first of all, subtract the 4 and 3. Subtract the reminders. Subtract the reminders from the given two numbers. Okay. So, solution. Subtracting the reminders, because that leave, okay, the given is leave the remainder, okay. So reminders, so what are the given? We get the number 280 minus 4, what we get? 276. Another one of the number is 1245 minus 3, what we get? 1242. Okay, so subtract, we get these two values. Now as usual we have find out the long division method. Okay, so which one is very largest number? This number, that is considered to the dividend, and 276 considered to the divisor. Okay, I have to do this side. So how many times is possible? So 4 times is possible. We get the value of 4 6 are 24, 1, 2, 4 4s are 16, 16 plus 9, 10, 0, and 4 2s are 8. So 8 plus 3, 11, 1. 4 2s are 4 6 are 24, remaining 2. So 7 4s are 28 plus 2 10, 0 1, 4 2s are 8 plus 3 11. Okay, now subtract this value, what we get? 8 3 1. Now the remainder will be considered the divisor. Divisor considered to the dividend. Okay, so how many times? 138. So here 6 is in. So twice the times. So twice the times of 138 is 276. Here subtract, you know, as usual, division. Okay, subtract, we get the remainder as 0. So what is the last divisor here? 138. So here what he asked, find the greatest number. So highest common factor. So here the last divisor is 138. Okay, need not to write, for your convenient understanding. 1 or 2 problems you will write after your need not to write in this one. Okay, directly write. Therefore the height CF of 1242 and 276 is 138. Okay, that is the highest common factor, that is the highest greatest number. Okay, greatest number means highest common factor. I hope you have understood the concept of prime factorization. So prime factorization by using the shortest division method. Okay, short division method we have used for the prime factorization, and prime factorizing has 2 types, is it? Finding the HCF. The first type is HCF of long division method, and another one of the type is prime factorization method. Okay, I hope you all understood the concept of HCF of prime factorization method and long division method. If you have any doubt, you can ask a doubt to me. Thank you, students.